India and the UK have just signed a historic trade deal after nearly 2 years of negotiation. But what's actually inside this deal? How does it benefit India and what's in it for the UK? Let's break it down clearly and simplify. Hello everyone, this is Ritika Speaks and you are welcome to my channel. This deal is called the Comprehensive Economic Trade Agreement or CETA. It was signed on July 24, 2025 during Prime Minister Modi's UK visit and British PM Keir Starmer. This is UK's biggest trade deal since Brexit, and for India it opens massive export opportunities. What's in the deal? What are the key highlights? Let's look at the main highlights. Reduced tariffs. UK goods entering India will now face only 3% average tariff, down from 15%. Luxury items like Scotch whisky, duty cut from 150% to 75%, then down to 40% in 10 years. Indian exports. 99% of Indian goods like textile, footwear, chemicals, and auto parts will now enter the UK duty free. This is huge for MSMEs in Surat, Tirupur, and across Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. Automobile sector. India will gradually reduce import duties on UK electric and luxury vehicles from 100% to 10% under a controlled quota. Dairy and agriculture protected. India did not allow access to its dairy, walnut, and apple markets, so Indian farmers are safe. No extra social security tax. Indians working temporarily in the UK won't have to pay social security twice, saving them big money. Visas. India got 1800 professional visas for yoga teachers, artists, and tech experts, but large-scale migration wasn't part of this deal. Economic impact. This deal is expected to add 4.8 billion per year to the UK's GDP by 2040. Boost Indian exports by rupees 35,000 crore to 40,000 crore annually. Create over 2,200 jobs in the UK. Double textile exports from India to Britain within a year. For India, this means more jobs, more exports, and more global influence. For the UK, it's a chance to rebuild post-Brexit trade power. Strategic importance. This deal is not just about trade. It's a part of a larger Vision 2035 strategic partnership between the two countries covering climate, defense, health, and innovation. Also, India made it clear if the UK brings in a carbon tax on imports, India has a right to counter it. So, is this a win-win for India? Definitely. We protected farmers, helped MSMEs, and opened doors to global markets. For the UK, it's a chance to show they can still strike big post-Brexit deals. Let me know in the comments, do you think India negotiated this deal well? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified updates on geopolitics, economy, and current affairs. This is Ritika Speaks, signing off.